So I'm sitting here because I'm getting this sun-kissed look, but more than that because I'm getting the sunlight and it looks good, and rest of the room is not so lit, so that's why I'm sitting here. I don't know if this is the way to do it because then there's a lot of light shining on my face. Hello everybody, my name is Rini and you're watching the Brownie Therapy, and in today's video we're going to be discussing about how to deliver your baked goods or your customized cakes. So usually delivery करना एक home baker के लिए काफ़ी hard होता है because we don't have a dedicated employee to deliver all these cakes. So why is that? That is because हर दिन बहुत अलग होता है. किसी दिन there are no orders, some days there are too many orders, some days there are just 2 orders, some days there are like 10 orders, so it's not consistent. And उस वजह से if we are hiring somebody, we need to give them a set salary which can be economically challenging for a home baker. So that is why we struggle a lot with delivery. Some of the things that I had done to make the delivery process little smoother for myself. So the first thing that I had resorted to doing is to ask my clients to pick up their cakes. So that is of course the most convenient way, because अगर आपका client, आपका खुद का customer खुद ही आके आपसे केक पिक कर रहे हैं तो आपकी टेंशन काफ़ी कम हो जाती है. एक तो आप जैसे ही अपने क्लाइंट और कस्टमर को केक हैंड ओवर कर दोगे आप टेंशन फ्री हो जाओगे. एंड इन केस कुछ ऑन द रूट थोड़ा स्पिल होता है, कुछ गड़बड़ी होती है, सो दे नो कि देयर इज़ नोबडी एल्स दे कैन ब्लेम. सो दैट जस्ट मेक्स द प्रोसेस मोर कन्वीनियंट. सो आप जितना हो सके अपने क्लाइंट्स को बोलो कि come and take it from my place, and that is of course the best way to deliver your cakes. So next is using delivery apps. So delivery apps include VFast and Dunzo, Swiggy Genie, and I am sure हर एक सिटी में अलग अलग टाइप के कोई ना कोई डिलीवरी एप्स हैं. So they are a good way to deliver your cakes. So the one that I was using was VFast, and I will link it down in my description box. So that has worked extremely well for me personally. 2 बार ऐसा हुआ था जब मेरा केक स्पिल हो गया था, उसमें इश्यूज आए थे. बट अदर दैन द 2 एक्सपीरियंसेस विच आई हैड विच वर नॉट गुड, उसके अलावा माई एक्सपीरियंस वॉज वेरी स्मूथ विद दैम. सो यू कैन डेफिनेटली ट्राई दैट आउट फॉर योर सेल्फ. जब आप VFast, डुन्जो, स्विगी जीनी और ऐसे डिलीवरी ऐप से अपनी गुड्स को भेज रहे हो, there is one thing that can go wrong about it. If in case you're sending bigger cakes or bigger items or hampers that are not going to go safely in 2-wheelers. तो अगर आप bento cakes, brownies, cookies, cupcakes and half kg cakes भेज रहे हो, तब आप स्विगी जीनी या VFast से भेजो या डिलीवरी ऐप से भेजो. बट अगर आप बड़े केक्स भेज रहे हो, कस्टमाइज केक्स है, फॉन्डेंट है, तो आई विल नॉट सजेस्ट यू गाइज टू सेंड देम थ्रू दीज डिलीवरी ऐप्स, बिकॉज ऑफकोर्स 2-wheelers में ही जा रहे हैं तो बहुत ज़्यादा चांसेस है कि केक डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाएं, टूट जाएं. सो वी डोंट वांट दैट टू हैपन. सो बी वेरी केयरफुल कि आप छोटे आइटम्स ही भेज रहे हो ये 2-wheelers पे. So the third way of delivering is using Ola और Uber. So Ola और Uber को आपको तब यूज़ करना है जब आप कस्टमाइज केक्स भेज रहे हो जहाँ पे फॉन्डेंट का यूज़ हो रहा है. It's like layered cakes, 2 tiers, 3 tiered cake, or tall cakes and cakes which use fondant accents. So उस case में you have to make sure that all your customized cakes or hampers are going in AC cabs, because that is very important.
So I'm trying to give you an example as to where you keep your cake when it is traveling in a car. So that is in front of the passenger seat, because like you can see the seat has a slanting and थोड़ा सा एक तरफ bend है, so cake भी थोड़ा tilt हो जाता है, काफ़ी बार अपने cake board से हिल जाता है. So when you keep it in front of the passenger seat, it is safe.
Suggest you to keep the AC always on. Make sure आप ये सारी चीज़ें बहुत ही बढ़िया तरीके से ड्राइवर को कन्वे कर रहे हो कि भैया प्लीज़ AC ऑन रखना, एंड केक ले जा रहे हो तो बहुत तेज़ से गाड़ी मत चलाना, because you have to be careful. It's a cake at the end of the day. Now another thing that a lot of people ask me is ki who pays for the delivery. So it has to be paid by the client, of course, because client को केक ऑर्डर कर रहा है, उनको केक डिलीवरी चाहिए, तो पे उन्हीं को ही करना पड़ेगा. बट समटाइम्स यू हैव अ क्लाइंट हु इज़ ऑर्डरिंग फ्रॉम वेरी वेरी फार. So in that case, you can come to a middle ground where maybe you could be paying 50%, the client could be paying 50%. Another thing that you can be doing is to give them a good discount. You can give a decent discount on your baked good itself. Don't want to lose clients, so आप थोड़ा बहुत तो adjust करोगे. Another thing that you can do is to give some free items, as in freebies, right? So because you know that the client is going to be paying a hefty amount for delivery itself, because cabs are not cheap, so you can give them something extra or give them extra discount. These are the ways you can retain clients. But another thing that I want all of you to keep in mind is to not undercharge yourself to a point where you're not making good profits. End of the day, it is not a mistake that so much money is going into the delivery process. We also don't want कि client डिलीवरी में इतने पैसे दे दें. 500, 600, 1000 रुपीज़ डिलीवरी का ही लग रहा है. सो थोड़ा डिफ़िकल्ट हो जाता है, अंडरस्टैंड. बट एज अ होम बेकर वी नो दैट वी डोंट मेक सो मच प्रॉफिट ऑन एवरी केक, राइट? सो वी कैन नॉट बी कवरिंग ऑल दिस डिलीवरी चार्जेस एंड अंडर पेइंग आवर सेल्व्स like every time. So you have to maintain that balance of retaining your clients, but also making sure that you're not in a position where you're compromising your profits to a level where it's not sustainable at all. So please take care of your own budgets as well. Now there's one more scenario where you have to go and deliver the cake. So in that case charge ज़्यादा हो जाता है, because आप up down कर रहे होते हो, and that is just additional cost. But there are times when the cake has to be assembled in the location itself, like cakes which have these unique and beautiful stands. There are upside down cakes which have to be assembled, right? And sometimes the cake has to be delivered so far that you cannot right away put the fondant accent. You have to go to the location, arrange the cake, and then further add on the fondant accent and give it the finishing look. So many times the bakers themselves have to take it and assemble the cake in the location. So that is also that cost also has to be covered by the client itself, because we genuinely cannot do anything about it. We are coming, we are spending our time there, we are also traveling for it, so that has to be covered by the client, and that is how it is. We are in no way overcharging our client by asking them to pay for delivery. That is an essential requirement when you're ordering something which is complex and customized. It has to be taken care of that way, right? So don't worry if you're a beginner. आप थोड़ा थोड़ा करके एडजस्ट करो. ऐसा भी एडजस्ट मत करो कि आप बिल्कुल ही कुछ प्रॉफिट नहीं कमा रहे हो. बट दीज आर द वेज you can deliver your cakes, and in case you have more suggestions for me, you can let me know. You can reach out to me on my Instagram channel. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys again. Bye.